Hi Anna, here's how I use my iPad in Schoology to write on kids' work. So if I go into Schoology, now I'm going to go, here's my calculus class. If I choose this assignment 6D in the upper right corner, right, notice in the upper right I see submissions. I'm going to click on that. Now I see all the kids' work, if it's loading. And let's see, let me choose Soya maybe. So here I see Soya's submission. And you can see what I've actually already written on it. So now if I go into her writing, I choose up in the upper right corner, there's something that looks like a marker. It's to the left of those little bars. If I press that, then to the left, I see a little pencil. If I press the circle next to the pencil, or actually I need to press the pencil first, then you see the color green. I think red actually works the best. So if I press the green, again, I get a choice of the 4 colors. I'm going to choose red. Now, if I want to go into her work, right, I can zoom in with my fingers if I want to. And now here's where I could go in and write, right, or circle, or draw an arrow to something. You can see that I've already put stuff on her work here. And that's how I put information on a kid's work. When I'm done, the upper right has a green check. Go ahead and press that, and that's where the kid's work will be saved, or what you wrote will be saved, and then go ahead and choose close. I don't want her to see this on there, so I'm just going to go to discard. And then that's how I write on a kid's work, right? Again, remember, you probably already know, you can go ahead and put a grade in for it, and you can type word in there as well. But let me show you, let's see if I have another kid's work in here, if I can remember someone. Let's see, here's Suzanne's. So here is her last revision for what she sent me. But before she sent me that one, here was her second revision, and you can see where I wrote on here. She was keeping the U's in there, and I had told her they should not be in there in their final answer. Really, you should be rewriting it as a basic U substitution. So that's how I use Schoology and the iPad to write on the kids' work.